Hi, konnichiwa. Today we are going to make Nasu-no-Nanbanzuke, which is fried eggplant marinated sweet spicy vinegar. One of the popular dish and my favorite way to eat eggplant. So let's get started. Big eggplant in New Zealand. In Japan, our eggplant is much smaller. So I'm quite excited to make it. Yay! Hi! Nasu-no-Nanbanzuke is I kept in the fridge over 4 hours and now is the time to eat. Looks like this. Just eggplant, but tastes really nice. My favorite. いただきます! So good. I could say probably my most favorite way to eat eggplant. Hopefully you will try it. See you next time. Bye!